Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a special quotient rule that involves using chain rule also. So this is one of the questions that is in worksheet 2.4, question 4F. And this is the function g of x, and we want to find a derivative of it, or we want to differentiate it. So this function obviously involves two functions in a one in a denominator, one in a numerator. So the way to do it would be using the quotient rule. So I want to write down the quotient rule by because we're going to use g again. So I want to rename this as y. Okay. So if this is y, we know that for the quotient rule, y prime would equal to let's say let's use f for the numerator and then g for the denominator. We say the derivative would be g squared. Then the top would be multiply g times the derivative of f, and then have it subtract. Then we fix f and have it multiplied to the derivative of g, like that. Fix g first. Fix the numerator first. Fix the denominator first. The other rules that we want to use is the general power rule, because what happened is both of these is a power of a polynomial, and so we can use if y is equal to h of x to the n, we say y prime is equal to kind of treat the h of x as the general power x. So it'll be n times h of x to the n minus 1. But this is not x, this is actually a function, so we have to change it with h prime of x. So basically, you would do the derivative as if it is x, and then n minus 1, and then multiply the derivative of the inside function. Okay, so let's go back to do this derivative. So y is equal to this, so we say y prime would equal to, right, the denominator should be really long, g squared, so in this case g is 2x minus 3 to the 4th square. In the top, I would have 2x minus 3 to the 4th, that I don't do. And then I want to do the derivative of x minus 5 to the cube. And I use the general power rule, and I say, well, that's actually similar as to multiply the 3, because there's a 3 here, and then multiply that function x plus 5, and have the power subtracted by 1, that's 2. And then I have to multiply with the derivative of x plus 5, which is just 1. Then I have to subtract, fix f, fix the numerator, which is x plus 5 cubed. And then I have to do the derivative of the denominator, which is 2x minus 3 to the 4th. So we would multiply the power 4 in the front, and then have it multiply with 2x minus 3, the original function, and have the power subtracted by 1, 3. And then I have to do h prime, which is the derivative of 2x minus 3, and that's 2. And so that should complete the quotient rule. The rest is just simplifying. So do the denominator again. In this case, is 2x minus 3 to the 8th, because 2 times 4 is 8. And then I would just do 2x minus 3 to the 4th times, actually the 3 is in the front, times the x plus 5 square minus 8. 2x minus 3 third, and then x plus 5 also third, because this is 3 and this is 3. And we have the 4 and 2 multiplied together. 4 and 2 multiplied together. Okay, so the next step is factoring the top. 2x minus 3 to the 8th And then what do you have? For 2x minus 3 to the fourth and 2x minus 3 to the third, the lowest, well, the largest common factor is 2x minus 3 to the third. And then for the second common factor, x plus 5 squared and x plus 5 cubed, the greatest common factor is x plus 5 squared. And so that's all the common factor that we can find, and then we'll just factor write the other things out. 3 is not being taken out, so we write 3. 2x minus 3 have fourth, and we take out 3, so we have 1, 2x minus 3. And for the second one, we have an egg that is not taken out, but then 2x minus 3 is being taken out. X plus 5 to the cube had an x plus 5 left over. Okay, so that's what it is. And then the next is to simplify the last part of that, which is 2x minus 3 to the 8th. And then I have a 2x minus 3, just copy the common factor again, x plus 5 square. And then this, I would just do distribute. Distribute the negative 8 to x and 5. And then I would have 6x minus 9 minus 8x minus 40. Okay. And the last step would be just to rewrite it. And then we'll notice that 2x minus 3 to the cube in the top, and the 8th can be simplified. So I'll use the red pen to simplify them. So it's become 5. So we will have in the top only x plus 5 square. Then the inside would be negative 2x, because 6x minus 8x is negative 2x. Minus 9 minus 40 would be minus 49 divided by 2x minus 3 to the 5th, and that's the answer. Some answer book would write it, we factor the negative of these 2 out and it become like this, but this is also good enough. 2x minus 3 to the 5th, x plus 5 square, 2x plus 49 also. Factor all the negative out. So this is the answer for the derivative of the original function.